welcome to or back to my channel. And actually, I don't know where I was going with that. Today's video is a little different. I will be showing you some outfits to wear in the spring. These are outfits that I probably would have been wearing to class if we weren't online, or outfits that I'm going to be wearing after all this is over and we can go out again. Pretty much, if you don't already know, I really love shopping and I love fashion and I love looking nice for class. And ever since this whole online Zoom university, I have been going to class in sweatpants, which I would never do. But anyway, let's get started. If you don't already know, yellow is one of my favorite colors. I think yellow is just such a spring color, and I also think yellow looks pretty good with my skin tone. But this top is from H&M, and so is this skirt. I actually did wear this on campus a couple of weeks ago, only for about an hour because that's when we found out school was closing, so me and my friends got dinner. I was supposed to be going to class, didn't go, but that's for another story. So this is a bit of a new outfit for me. I don't really like wearing pants. If I wear pants, it's typically leggings, but I've gotten a couple of pairs of jeans from American Eagle and they're super comfy. So these pants are from American Eagle. My top is from Rue 21 and my sweater is from H&M. This would have definitely been worn in class, I think on a more casual, laid-back day, and if it was cold outside, because sometimes it's spring, it might be like 80 degrees, but it might be 60 degrees in the morning. Okay, so this dress is from Urban Outfitters, and I think this dress would have been perfect for Easter, but so sad. Excuse me. But I'm a little sad about Easter not happening because me and my mom used to go to Easter brunch every... So this dress is from Urban Outfitters. I think this dress is so cute, perfect for spring with the green and pink. I think this dress would have been perfect for Easter, but I'm so sad about Easter not happening. My mother and I would always go to Easter brunch, but it looks like that's gonna have to be postponed till later. I definitely could imagine myself wearing this around campus, not to class, but around campus, or if me and my friends were going to brunch in the French Quarter. Pretty much this is just a casual outfit that I would have worn in class, or on the weekends if me and my friends were going to lunch or dinner or something. This is perfect for the spring because of the yellow and the floral pattern on my skirt. This top is from Aeropostale and my floral print skirt is from American Eagle. So I actually know a lot of people don't like these kind of outfits, or they're not trendy anymore, but I think this is really cute. This jumpsuit is from Rue 21. Honestly, rompers, dresses, and jumpsuits are so easy to wear. You just throw it on and walk out the door. So I don't know what people's problems are. I don't think personally I would wear this to class, but I did wear this on Mardi Gras to the Zulu parade. The reason I wouldn't wear it to class is because it is a little too big, so I would have to wear shoes that have a little to them. I don't really want to wear those to class. I think this is a super casual outfit that I probably would have worn to class, nothing too fancy. My floral top is from Forever 21 and my denim dress is from H&M. I think this is so cute, especially for the spring season with the floral and the denim together. So this sunflower dress is from Hollister. I did wear this to class probably like a month ago, and I'm a little sad because it seems to have shrunk a little bit. So I'm not sure if this is going to class attire anymore. Okay, if I pull it down, it's okay. I'm a little bummed it shrunk. I really like this dress. So my top and my shorts are from H&M. I'm not a big shorts person. I don't really wear shorts. I don't really like wearing athletic shorts either. But I thought this was cute, perfect for spring because of the floral and spring, lots of flowers. But I also think this top could easily be dressed up with a cute pair of leggings or jeans if you're going out in the town with the girls. But definitely something cute and casual that I would have worn around campus. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to comment and subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video. I hope you all have an amazing day. Stay inside, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!